So now I'll be explaining you about the trend analysis, balance sheet. Okay. So in the last one you have studied about income statement. Now it is balance sheet. The calculation method, steps, everything will remain same. There is no change. The previous year or the latest or the earlier year or the earliest year is considered as 100%. Basis on that, you'll be calculating the trending percentages for all the other years. Okay. Steps, everything will remain same. Directly, I'm coming from for a problem over here where you'll be calculating the trend percentages for the balance sheet or statements of assets and liabilities. Take down from the following statement of assets and liabilities of ABC Limited, compute the trend percentages using 31st December 2013 as base year. So this will be considered as base year. 2013 is considered as base year. Okay. So draw this table. You have main 4 columns. Particulars 2013, 2014, 2015. So in this we'll be having first one equity and liability. This I have divided into 2 amount columns, inner amount and outer amount for all these things. Shareholders fund, in this first one you have share capital 1 lakh, 1,25,000 and 1,50,000. Reserves and surplus 50,000, 75,000 and 75,000. So add these two and it is shareholders funds 1,50,000, 2 lakhs and 2,25,000. Next, non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings have 1,50,000 and 25,000. Current liabilities, trade payables 1,50,000, 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. Okay. So add these 3 items. This is the total of equity and liability 4 lakhs, 4 lakh 50 and 3 lakh 50,000. Next, assets. That first one, non-current assets. In that, fixed assets, tangible assets 2 lakhs, 2 lakh 50,000 and 2 lakhs. In current assets, inventories 1,25,000, 1,25,000 and 75,000. Trade receivables 50,000, 50,000 and 50,000. Cash and cash equivalents 25,000, 25,000 and 25,000. You're adding these 3 items and this is 2 lakhs current assets. Add these 3, 2 lakhs is the current assets. Add these 3, this is the 1,50,000 is current assets for 2015. Okay. So after this, you have notes to accounts, the detail of the items what you have had in the statement of assets and liabilities. Take down this. So this is a table I have drawn 13, 14, 15. I have taken all values over here. Here trend percentages 2013, 14 and 15. So as per problem, we have to consider 2013 as a base year. So all these are the items of 2013 and all these will be considered as 100, directly taken as 100. Okay. Now taking this as 100, for 1 lakh, it is 100. For 1,25,000, how much? So 1,25,000 divided by 100. Sorry, 1 lakh into 100, you have to get 1,25,000. Similarly, 1,50,000 divided by 1 lakh, you have to get it as 1,50,000. Okay. So this is the calculations of what I have shown, but the method will be same. Okay. This formula will remain same for the calculations. the values will change